A great way to talk about math with your kids is to look for math in the real world. The next time you're at the store, think about as you walk down the aisle and you see a couple different products and you're thinking about which one would be the best deal. That's a great opportunity. Also, the next time that you're at a restaurant, talk to your kids about how would I compute the tip using mental math, and what are a couple different ways I could do that. Conversations like this are really helpful in having your kids start their critical thinking process. Another thing that you can do as a parent is to think about asking questions and modeling the questioning with your child. Questions like, what do you notice and what do you wonder, are really helpful for kids to be thinking about where is math in their real world. For example, what if you had a fish tank that you dumped out and that you had to fill back up again? And you took a hose and you put that hose right inside of the fish tank and you started the water running. And as that started, you looked at your child and said, I wonder how long it would take to fill this fish tank. And then get out of the way and allow your child to think about that question and come up with an estimate and a solution path for them to think about how long it would take. These are great ways to think about how math is present in the real world. The thing to remember is we don't have new math. We have new expectations of how we expect our children to interact with mathematics. And we can rebrand mathematics as a world in which we're looking for structure, function, patterns, and relationships. And this is really what we want for our children to prepare them for their future.